Compassion is prevalent in nature. Wild elephants came into a banana plantation and they just destroyed the whole plantation. Several acres of banana in Kerala. But they just left one tree in the middle of the whole plantation. Everything was destroyed. Everything was pulled down. But one tree was left. You know why? In that tree, bird has formed a nest and there were chicks in it. So the wild elephants also know that there are birds in this tree. Let's not touch it. They left the tree so that the birds were saved. Compassion is prevalent and you have compassion. Compassion is not a mushy sort of emotional outpour that you have on somebody. No. Compassion shows in your action. Compassion brings stability inside of